Interesting. Also, everything has a carrier, you know, like a liquid.
Yeah.
And so it's going to be water, oil, jelly. But the reason Juice Beauty gets their name is their liquid is pressed juice.
Oh.
So you're getting...
It's like, yeah, like an actual juice.
A big thing on grapes is called resveratrol. And if you look at like the outside of a grape, you see that it's like hardened skin a little bit, but that resveratrol is what's protecting it against free radicals. But when you open up a grape and you see the fresh juiciness, that's what it's doing to your skin.
I might want to get one. I just saw my friend Jessie. She's been in my videos before, so I just went to see her. You guys, you have to go check her out at Ulta here near like Sam's Club. I don't know what this area is called, but I will put her Instagram right here. That way you guys can follow her. But she, oh, I got this, oh my god, this stuff. She did me like a whole like regimen, so I was like, you know what, let me check it out, let me buy the little samples, that way, you know, I can see if I want to get the big ones and stuff. I already know that I definitely want to get a few of these already. And then I got some makeup. I was like, girl, we're in trouble. She's like, I know we are. Let me just get it. All right, so I got this one right here. Look at that. Just look at that. It's so freaking pretty. And then I got a concealer. And then I got a mascara. But you guys, this was $6. And look at that. We both got it. We both got the same. I'm pretty sure my husband's gonna be like, so did you go see your friend really, or did you just go shopping? Yay. But no, we're saving because we have a big trip coming up, so hopefully we're good. Of course, I go see my friend and I end up buying like a bunch of stuff. But yeah, so this complex here is where I go to Sam's Club, and so I just went to go see my friend. So if you guys go to Ulta, go check out my friend at Juice, I think it's Juice Bar. Let me see, Juicy Bar. Oh, the sign, Juicy Bar. Go to that section. Her name is Jessie. She's friendly, you guys. And let me tell you, she's an esthetician, so she's just so good at skin. You want good skin, go check her out, go ask her some questions about it, and you'll love it, trust me. So if you're in neither area, go to this one. All right guys, let's go home. Guys, look how cute these diffusers are. I got this for $8. It is so cute. And then I got this one here, which I got for $12.99, and I'm so excited because I already have one, but I want to put that one in the room and then put this one out here. So I'm super excited. Alright guys, sorry, the onion got to me. I'm so sensitive. Like, I am above like normal sensitive when it comes to onion. It just kills me. Alright, so now I'm gonna go do the meat, and then I cut up some ginger, garlic, onion, and then I'm gonna have some, what is this? Little gem lettuce. Sorry. Ooh. I promise you I'm not crying. I promise you it's just the onion that made me cry. Actually, you know what? Instead of telling you how it's gonna look, I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna prepare it all. Alright, let's go.
I can't let you go. say, girl, you better take care. Cause that man is trouble if that's beware. And go deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop.
Hey guys, so I'm meeting my friend in an area that I've never been before, and it's so freaking beautiful. I'm gonna stop by because there's a huge, humongous lake. I'm gonna stop by so I can take like a video and stuff and show you guys. But she said that it's like a French bistro kind of thing, but I've never been in this area before, and it looks a little bougie, if you know what I mean. I'm definitely near Summerlin, but kind of like the end skirts of Summerlin. And this Range Rover is like pink as hell. But yeah, I'm in like a bougie like neighborhood. Yeah. Okay. There's like, I don't know, there's like people wearing like costumes that look like army costumes. I don't know what to expect going in here. She says she wants to get a cocktail, but I don't like to drink, so I'm probably just gonna get like a nice coffee. Hopefully they do have coffee since it's like a French bistro inspire, and see what kind of pastries they have, because you know your girl loves pastries. Okay. Oh yeah, and then you guys, look, I cut my hair. I love it, you guys. It feels so much healthier, and it still has like a bounce, which I like. But yeah, it definitely, oof. You guys, she cut a lot. She was like, it's dead. So I'm like, you know what? I want to start the new year with healthy hair, and then throughout the year, hopefully it grows really, really long. That is my prayer to my hair. But I don't know, because you know, you have to take all these vitamins and stuff. But I've just got a hoodie on, so I hope that they don't turn me around and it's like, oh, you have to wear like cocktail dresses, and I'll be like, oh, sorry, forgot the memo. But what I'm in front of right now, it's called Lakeside Center Wedding and Events. I don't know, but let's go have a look. This restaurant, and they have like in the restroom they have like a guitar. It's so cool. He's actually one of my favorites. I love his songs. If you know him, let me know down below. I like the models that they have here, like the skeleton ones. Towards me. You guys, this area is super nice. It's pretty cool. Guys, I'm gonna go to the buoy. I've literally never been here before. Damn. I like the Rachel Ray one. That's pretty cool. But since we got that green one, I like that one. Alright. Let's go look for, but then it'd be in the kitchen aisle, right? Jesus, we just want a skillet for our bird. We have everything for our turkey and dessert. The dessert requires balsamic vinegar, so I got that. Strawberry confectionate sugar. I'm so excited to show you guys. Alright guys, look how cute this bag is. I think I'm gonna keep it. So cute. Holy moly. You guys, it was freaking packed. It was insane. But that is obviously expected. I mean, it is Wednesday, tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so it's freaking crazy. All right, so I got my meringues. Can you believe they were the last 2 meringues? Oh, thank God. And at first I couldn't find them, so I was like, okay, let's just stop and go slowly. So that's exactly what I did. Now guess where we're going? Walmart, which that place is probably gonna be 10 times worse than Trader Joe's, but we need to get some paper towels, so let's go. You guys, it is so packed. I'm gonna need my hands, so I'm gonna put the phone away because it is packed. Alright guys, so Richard cleaned all of these vegetables and fruits. Got parsley, we have lemons, orange, we have butter, we have radishes, we've got tomatoes, I was gonna say. We got strawberries, and then we got meringues. Now the oranges, strawberry, and meringue is actually for the dessert that I'm gonna make, and I'm actually gonna put it in a margarita cup, which is delicious. Well, not the cup, but the dessert is really freaking good, you guys. I can't wait to show you. So the parsley, the lemon, and the butter is gonna be for the turkey. So I can't wait to show you that. We got the recipe off of Gordon Ramsay, and we absolutely fell in love with the way he cooks the turkey, you guys, because he puts strips of bacon and stuff. And the dessert is actually from a YouTuber that I've been watching since I came to America. Her name is Laura Vitale, and she's an Italian chef, I would like to say, and she does YouTube as well. I'm not sure if you guys have heard of her, but I love the way she cooks. She cooks like easy. The way that she cooks, it's easy, so I understand it, which that's why I fell in love with her in the first place. So this dessert that I'm going to be making is from Laura Vitale, and it involves some balsamic vinegar as well, so I cannot wait to show you guys. We are going to make a Salvadorian turkey with bread as well, so we use this bread to make our sandwiches and stuff, so I can't wait to show you. Unfortunately, we're not going to Tucson. We were supposed to go, but over the weekend I had a little cold, and then Richard's just not feeling well either, so we were like, you know what, we just don't feel well and we're not gonna go, we're not gonna drive and get more sick. So we scratched it all together. And plus next week is his Christmas party, which is in California, and we don't want to be going up and down and stuff during the holidays because the roads just get crazy, and you know, we just didn't feel good as well. So I'm still trying to get a little bit more happy and stuff, like get in the festivities, I should say. But yeah, I can't wait to show you guys. We're gonna kind of get the turkey ready, and then tomorrow all we have to do is pop her in the oven and she's good to go. Okay, Richard's doing the cleaning of the turkey, you guys. I can't touch it. It's a little gross, not gonna lie. So he's gonna do that. Guys, so I've chopped up strawberry, I've put balsamic vinegar here and some sugar and orange juice and orange zest. Now I'm just going to mix it all together. The turkey is in. We cannot wait. Alright guys, so the turkey is getting cooked. Right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some bacon strips over it, and then we're gonna leave it for an extra like 3 hours. So cannot wait to see the finished look of this turkey. Ozzy, you like the turkey? He's like licking his chops. Alright guys, Richard just put the bacon, so we're gonna put it in the oven and see how it looks. Hey guys, so the turkey is almost done. I'm so excited for it, you guys. I really am. It looks so good. Richard put some bacon on top of it, so it looks so freaking delicious. Have a look. Alright guys, so the turkey is done. That is how good it is. We put some bacon and stuff, so now Richard's gonna chop up some bacon, onion and everything, and this is gonna be like the gravy. So